Welcome, it's Denome. In this video, I will show you how to use DeFi Swap for the maximum profit. Cryptocom, they just released this product, and it's the same product as Uniswap, which I've covered in the previous videos. So what you can do here is you can swap coins to different coins. So let's say you want to swap ethereum into CRO. You can swap coins here, and the money-making opportunity is that if you provide liquidity here, you can earn money from the fees that are made through this system, as well as if you provide a boost by staking CRO here, you can get up to 20x boost. And the APY is quite nice here, so I actually provided $4,000 worth of liquidity, and I stake 1,000 CRO for the 4-year plan, so the APY currently is about 800%. This actually goes down all the time as more people provide liquidity here, because there's a fixed amount of CRO that's being given to the liquidity providers every single day for the next 14 days. It's actually 1 million CRO that's given to the liquidity providers every single day for the next 14 days. So that's why there's an opportunity currently to get in here, but as more people get in, the APY is going lower. So keep that in mind. I will show how to do this in this video. I will talk about the risks. I will talk about the impermanent loss. I will also compare this to other opportunities out there. But anyway, if you want to do this, let's just take a look at how everything works. So whenever you do these swaps here, people who provide liquidity on the pool system here, like I have CRO and ETH, so I have 5.2 ETH here, as well as 12,000 CRO. And my share of the pool currently is 3.31%. So I currently earn money 0.3% times 3.3% from the trading fees that are collected through this system. As well as if I provide a boost here, then I will get extra rewards from the boost. So that's how I make money. So all the money that you can make from the system is based on how much volume is being traded on this platform. So if no volume is being traded on this platform, then nobody makes any money here. So keep that in mind as well. But anyway, you stake CRO to boost your yield, and 14 million CRO are given in the first 14 days, so 1 million CRO per day. And the tokens here are Ethereum, USDT, USDC, DAI, Link, Comp, and CRO initially, and they will announce new partnerships in the coming weeks, so we can expect that. If you are in the United States, Singapore, China, Hong Kong, Iran, or any of other places in this list, you cannot participate in this system. And like I said, it's a fork from the Uniswap version 2, but they have more incentives for the liquidity providers, and then they disclose all the risks here. The smart contracts, they have been audited by Slowmist, as well as the Cryptocom security team. You can read them here. I will link this article in the description, of course, and you can read everything right here. And then the other thing is that how much money you can make and how much, what is the best strategy here. So the best strategy, before I show you how to do everything, is that the daily CRO yield pool is equal, okay, whatever. The DeFi yield is updated at UTC time 8 a.m. every single day. And if you have less than 1,000 CRO staked on the DeFi platform, then you will be rewarded. You can harvest the rewards every 90 days. So it's actually quite rarely that you can harvest the profits, which is quite unfortunate, but that's how the system works. As well as here is the multiplier. So for me, why I chose 1,000 CRO on the 4-year plan is that I get 2 times more rewards. And if I just wanted to stake CRO for 1 year, I would have to put 50,000 CRO to get the same multiplier, which actually doesn't make sense. So this is like $150. So if I just throw it in the trash for 4 years and I never expect to get it back, and I just consider like I lose that money, it's better to lose $150 than to lock up what is this, $6,000 for 1 year for the same profit. So better to just throw $150 away and put more money into the liquidity pools, because you get more money from that. So don't put 100,000 here. In my opinion, it doesn't make any sense unless you are an actual whale, like actual whale, because the only way you can benefit from staking is if you also provide liquidity. So if you don't provide any liquidity, then you cannot get any boosted yield. So the only thing that makes sense is that if you put a little bit stake here as well as provide liquidity. So you have to do both in order to benefit from this system. So the less money you have in the liquidity pool, the less CRO you earn as a yield also. So keep that in mind. You want to do both to get the maximum benefit. So that's why I think the only rational thing to do is just to throw 1000 CRO in the basket and put at least 1000 USD worth of capital into the liquidity pools also. That's, in my opinion, the only thing that makes sense. And when you provide liquidity here, I think you earn fees from the pool that you are in. So in my sense, because I have CRO and ETH in the pool, I will only earn money. Okay, my share of the pool only went down to 0.42% already. So now I'm earning less money from the fees from this pool, but the boost money that you get is actually divided by all the pools. So the money that you earn from the boost is collected from the all pools, and everyone who is providing liquidity here as well as staking share that 1 million CRO that's given every single day. So that's how everything works here. So now how do you do this? So the first thing you cannot do this on the DeFi wallet that is made by Crypto.com currently. So you have to use Metamask Wallet or another wallet that supports Wallet Connect. But I suggest using Metamask. You can download it as a browser extension. I suggest you download it from the metamask.io page. Simply download it and add it to your browser. You can also use brave.com because it has a built-in Metamask wallet. And once you have the Metamask wallet, you simply copy this address and send Ethereum here, because you need Ethereum for the transaction fees, as well as you send CRO here, as well as another coin, whatever you want to put in the pool. So you don't have to send, no, actually you do have to send CRO because you want to stake the CRO also. So you need to send the money that you want to stake in the CRO as well as what you want to provide as liquidity. So you need this Metamask wallet. And then when you have that, you have to calculate yourself what amount of money you want to put in here. So like if you stake 2000 CRO, it doesn't make any sense because it's the same as putting 1000 CRO here. So it doesn't make any sense. So 1000, 5000 or 10,000 CRO here. Like I said, I suggest 1000 CRO, as well as you have to decide how much USD worth of capital you want to put into the liquidity pools. And then you go to the boost section here. You click this button. First you have to approve the stake, and then you put 1000 CRO and whatever term you want, and then click it and accept, and then you have the stake here, and you will see this icon popping up here. And then you will come to the pool here, and you will add liquidity to 2 coins, and let's just put Ethereum here and CRO. So if I would like to put like maximum of CRO, it will automatically calculate 50-50 USD value of both tokens here in the pool, and then you approve it. And then after you have approved it and paid like $2, then you supply this and confirm the supply. And because Ethereum transactions are super high currently, you can see it's another suggestion is that you increase this whatever default gas fee is here, so you don't have to wait like 20 minutes or 30 minutes for the transaction to go through. It will be going through under a minute. So that's why I always want to put a little bit extra here, and then you simply confirm it. So the transaction is like $10. So the total amount of money that is going to transaction fees is like $25 like put together for everything. And then when you have the liquidity here, you can see it here. And when you have liquidity here as well as the boost, then you are basically set. You don't have to do anything. And the first time you can actually, you can see this number going up by tomorrow morning 8 a.m. UTC time, but you can harvest it only after 90 days if you have less than 100,000 CRO here. Okay, that's how it works. And now let's talk about the impermanent loss. So this is a website where you can actually calculate impermanent loss. So how impermanent loss works is that you have 50-50 value of both coins in the pool, but the value of those tokens can go up or down. So let's say the price of CRO goes up 100% and you have like CRO and USDT. USDT value is of course constant, so you will suffer 5.72% in impermanent loss. And what it means is that while the price of CRO is going up, because this swapping pool is an automated market maker, it has to keep a balance between USDT and CRO. So it basically sells off your CRO as the price is going up. So that's causing the impermanent loss. So if you just held CRO, your value after the 100% increase would be higher because you're basically selling off the CRO into USDT as the price is climbing up. And if you provide liquidity like CRO and Ethereum, what can also happen is that the price of Ethereum can drop like 50%. So in this scenario, the impermanent loss is 20%. So what it means is that when the price of Ethereum is going down, it means that you will have to have more Ethereum in the pool to cover the losses of the value of Ethereum going down, as well as the price of CRO is going up, so you will have less CRO in the pool. So this is basically the impermanent loss, and that's super annoying, and that you have to also calculate this into your calculations if you want to take the risk and provide liquidity here. That's basically how it works. As well as I want to talk about the risk of CRO. So currently, because CRO, it's a company coin on Crypto.com, and they have more than 550 employees in the company. And as well as I know, Crypto.com is currently not a profitable company unless they were given free CRO airdrops every single day. They get like 20 million CRO airdropped to their accounts every single day. That's how the company is currently sustainable and profitable. But if those CRO airdrops would drop, like they will in 4 years, the company would not be profitable in my opinion. So what they're currently trying to do is trying to make their company as profitable as they can through the exchange, through lending services, through DeFi services, through all these different upsell products, the earn plans and everything else, that they are basically racing against time. So there is risk in the price of CRO, and it's heavily tied to the fate of the company as well. But so I would consider CRO like as at least a medium risk asset, if not high risk asset. But CRO, they are the most how do I say, audited company in crypto also, and they have the most standards. So somebody could say like it's the most reliable company in crypto, but I don't believe that. So I would say it's at least medium risk company. I made videos on Crypto.com before, so you can watch those if you want to dig in deeper into the company. Also, they have these Crypto.com debit cards. I have the green one; it's quite nice. So if you want to get the debit card, also use my referral link. So we both get $50 for free, basically. So you stake 1,000 CRO on their app and get this card. You get the free Spotify and the cashback and other perks. Also, if you want to use my referral link on their Crypto.com exchange, they offer 20% annual interest on your stake, as well as they offer these syndicate events every 1 or 2 weeks. So the next one is MakerDAO. So they list this on their exchange, and they offer a 50% discount. So this is another Minmax strategy. So I currently gain about 40% annual interest using the Minmax strategy on Crypto.com. And the recent event was Bitcoin special event, and this event actually yielded 6.5% interest on my capital. So if we just take a look at this past sales here, these are all the sales that I participated in. Bitcoin sale, I put in 35,000 CRO here. I was refunded 32,721 CRO, and I gained about $700 worth of Bitcoin here. So I lost $350, but I gained $700 worth of Bitcoin in this event. simply by staking CRO in the exchange, as well as allocating extra CRO for the event. So it's quite nice that they offer these. So I've covered this in the past, you can read more. But basically, if you want to use these services, you can use my referral link. But using this DeFi Swap protocol, you do not need to have an account on Crypto.com. You can simply use your MetaMask and access this if you want to. So that's just that. I think I covered everything. Oh, one more thing I wanted to cover. This was quite funny. I made a joke about this because I've been covering DeFi for the last 3, 4, 5 weeks already, and there's these crazy yield farming things going on all the time. And I've been joking, like, whenever I see 1 million APY, that's gonna be like the most memeiest coin I will ever think of. And it was actually Crypto.com. When I open up Crypto.com, the DeFi swap, it actually yielded 4,250,000% annual interest in the beginning, before people started to provide liquidity here. So Crypto.com, they were the first company to have more than 1 million APY. So congratulations to them. But anyway, as you can see, the APY is now going down and down and down. So one strategy here could also be that you just simply wait for 1 or 2 days and see where the APY goes before you actually decide to provide liquidity. Because as this goes lower, it maybe doesn't make any sense to do this. And of course, there are other protocols like the XIO, which gives about 100% annual interest, as well as there are protocols like Cream or YFI, which give like 100% or 150 or 200% annual interest on your stable coins. So you maybe want to hold off and wait before you commit to a 4-year plan on your CRO stake and put the liquidity. You can remove the liquidity whenever you want to, but you cannot remove the staked CRO here. So keep that in mind. And also what is quite annoying is that they have the DeFi wallet, but the DeFi wallet doesn't currently support this. So if you stake CRO on the Metamask wallet, then you cannot do that on the DeFi wallet that they have. Or you can do it, but then this CRO is basically lost for 4 years. So keep that in mind also. I think I covered everything I wanted in this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if this was a good explanation of the risks, of the potential reward, of the min-maxing strategy on this platform, as well as hit a like button and subscribe to the channel if you like this. And yeah, if you have any questions, you can join the Telegram group, and I'll make sure to have your question answered as well. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.